Hello and welcome to our machine learning project on portfolio optimization and stock prediction. A brief introduction: the two primary topics in the field of finance currently are portfolio optimization and performance prediction. As new technologies have developed, many institutions have used machine learning to mitigate the human error in the calculation of profits and risk. We plan on utilizing Yahoo Finance API datasets on historical stock prices to derive financial indicators such as cumulative return, mean return, risk metric, and many more. Our problem definition for the goal of this project is to analyze and predict stock behavior while also finding gaps in current research, specifically research that exists on the use of clustering to derive optimal investment portfolios. Markowitz's mean variance portfolio is the current standard used by financial institutions, and while it works well when a selection of investments is known, it cannot help determine what investments to make out of a huge pool of stocks. We want to try and bridge this gap by combining computations like mean variance and Sharpe ratio with unsupervised learning techniques, and later down the line, use supervised learning techniques with different mathematical models to predict portfolio performance. The main problem with many common predictive models being applied is that they try to fit a linear model to a nonlinear reality, and we hope to change that. The methods we plan to use primarily will be to use k-means clustering to determine what to invest in and how much to invest in order to create an optimal portfolio. Then we will be attempting to use mathematical models from the field of chaos theory, and we hope to combine the use of these mathematical models with supervised learning techniques, including radial basis function, network and long short-term memory, and we hope to be able to predict portfolio performance with this. Last but not least, our potential results and discussions. First of all, we're going to have to perform some serious dataset cleaning and scope, and a discussion that arises is, first of all, how far do we want to draw our data from? Do we want to look at short-term trends, long-term trends? How many data points will we need to make sure that we are predicting accurately and creating accurate models as well? We will need to also reduce our features to make sure we are looking at the correct features in order to train our model properly. Then, with this, our objective finally will be optimizing portfolio investment. We want to make sure we are providing proper stocks and a portfolio that will last a good time for whatever time span we choose. Our considerations will change as we delve further, and then some of our metrics to evaluate our prediction model towards the end will be the accuracy of distinct predictions, precision and recall to judge the prediction accuracy, our Sharpe ratio to measure risk-adjusted return, and last but not least, mean absolute error and mean squared error. Thank you.